Hi everyone. Now I'm going to talk about call timer. If we want to call timer, we need to create one first. We can create a timer in the system here. Here we can see a timer and we right click it to create a new timer. And I'm going to name it timer 1 and set its interval to 1 second. And the action in this timer, I'm going to call the function 1. This means that if I start this timer, it will call the function 1 every 1 second. And I'm going to create a second timer and call it timer 2. And the interval, I'll set it to half a second. And the action is print pizza. And now let's back to program the UI events. And I'm going to add the events to these 4 buttons. The first button is for start timer 1. And click here to add actions. Here we choose call timer. Method here we choose timer start. The timer name we choose timer 1. And the second button, I'm going to stop timer 1. And here we add actions and choose call timer. The method here we choose timer cancel. And the timer name we choose timer 1. And the third button, I'm going to start timer 2. Click here to add actions. The action type here we choose call timer. And here timer start. The timer name we select timer 2. And the last button, I'm going to stop all timer. Here we click here to add actions and we choose call timer. Here we can choose timer cancel all. It means to cancel all timers, stop all timers. And now let's upload this project to the processor. And let's come to the Edge panel. We press the button 1. It will call the function 1. The function 1 is to print hello first and wait for, wait for 1 second. Yes, wait for 1 second and it will print hi. And I press the second button. It will stop timer 1. And now let's start both 2 timers. And if we press the last button, it will stop all timers. And that's all for the call timer parts.